AstroElon, a meme coin, is on an absolute moon mission this week. What's made Elon go to the moon, and will he continue climbing? Welcome back to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. So what is AstroElon? Is a meme coin on the ETH blockchain. And why are they trending? Well, they've had a ton of announcements in the last week, as you can see from the price action. And so let's go over the first one, which is yesterday they announced that they were on Whitebit exchange for trading, and they announced also this is the first of many centralized exchanges. They also were then listed on Coinmarketcap and Coingecko not too long ago in the past week, which is great. And they've been trending on Coinmarketcap for the last couple days. So this coin has had a ton of announcements. That's why they're trending all over online. But what actually is AstroElon? AstroElon is a safe, auto-reward, auto-deflationary ERC20 protocol built in response to the recent surge in scams and rugs. We're here to put an end to rug pulls, scams, and abandonment. Chads like you deserve a safe, continuous trip to Mars. I like that. I like that branding. So they're building a meme coin around Elon here, going to the moon, and they're building around the idea that it is a safe token. Because obviously there has been a lot of rug pulls and scams in the meme space recently, and they're saying we are not part of that. And that is good branding. Remember, safemoon literally went up just because they put safe in the name. So I like this whole idea of having a safe token. So obviously they have a big emphasis on safety, and they put an audit link here to reemphasize that. So if you click on it, it goes to a Solidity.finance report where they talk a lot about the audit that they did on the contract and on the team. So let's take a look at the launch and the tokenomics part. So they described the launch here. It was a fair launch, doesn't look like a pre-sale. And I like this too. Initial market cap set at 15K with dev supply liquidity funds. So it's not like a bunch of people got in and were whales in the pre-sale. This seems like the devs actually provided the liquidity funds, which is great to see. So you don't have whales dumping and ruining the progress and the price action on the coin later. And then they also mentioned liquidity lock here, locked for 100 years, obviously lots of time, and the LP tokens have been burnt. Great to see. So let's go over the tokenomics. So 50% were sent to Vitalik, which obviously makes it deflationary. And then they have the same mechanism that a lot of the meme coins have, which is 2% is redistributed among holders, aka space cadets, via reflection. So that's great because it incentivizes people to hold and it gets the community more involved with the coin. And then lastly, they have their roadmap. So they talk about here, they have the website, which is obviously this website. They have the community launch. They have the safe launch on Uniswap. It looks like they're still working on the audit, and they have actually completed these because it is on Coingecko and on Coinmarketcap, which is great. And then they talk about the community parts here, so the community centralized exchange and marketing fund, and the memes NFT launch, which they're still working on. So they seem like they have a lot of other things. They have a charity aspect, they have an NFT aspect. They're working on a lot of things with this meme coin. It's not just a straight meme coin. And then finally, they mentioned merchandise here, which is great. Sansu Inu has done a good job with that, and I think it's very important for meme coins. And then lastly, they talk directly about the charity part. So they have a 10K charity giveaway, and they're looking to work with other partners as well in the future, which is a great mechanism for these meme coins because a lot of the charity coins do end up working very good over time. So finally, let's go over their social links. They have the GitHub link here first, which if you don't know, GitHub is where you can store code. So it's great to see that the team is actually committing code and it's public. And they have the Instagram here, which has a lot of followers. It has 53.7K followers. Lots of comments on each post, which is good. And they also have an endorser section, which is great. Obviously, for meme coins, you want to have as many people talking about the coin and building that community. So the fact that they're not only having influencers post about it, but also kind of aggregating the posts is great because then people can see who's actually posting about it. And then they have a Medium here where they post announcements publicly. They have a Reddit, which is great because then you have active public discussions that people can go see. And then finally, they have a very, very active Telegram here. Tons of posts going on, lots of community members acting as community managers and admins. If you take a look at it compared to other meme coins, I would say this is one of the more active and engaging communities that I've seen out of a meme coin. So let's go over their price action. So if we go over to Dex Tools, we see that they launched on April 30th. So they've been out for over a month now grinding on this project. And they had a big run up to the SNL skid here, and then the price fell back as meme season slowed down. But after consolidation, they are now going up heavily, a 4 to 5x from bottom. And they're constantly pushing out updates. They have a very, very active Telegram, and I'm really liking this project. So I think this is a great meme coin. I'm very bullish on them after doing research. With the amount of announcements they've had in the last week in both listings on CoinMarketCap and Coingecko, clearly they're very capable, and they also have a very active and dedicated community. But I want to hear what you think. Do you own AstroElon? Are you going to pick this one up anytime soon? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next episode.